Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this text tracking edit in the CapCut mobile. So just prepare your video and then just write the text that you want to track. I'm going to just write tracking, and after that click on the check icon. Now put the text position to where you want to start the tracking. Okay, like this, and find this option tracking at the bottom. Now select the object to track. So I'm going to select the finger like this. Now click on the start tracking, and CapCut will do its magic by tracking the text. Okay, so this will be the result. And guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.